Theta in every practical sense. Token especially is a low-position digital money as of now evaluated at $0.613597 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $613,596,684 fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Over the in every way that really matters, past lovely few years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out by and large solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and basically are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they truly thought. Retail financial backers and dealers generally are fundamentally keen on digital currencies by and large. For example, Theta, since this in every way that really matters, is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources for the most part have the for the most part potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat certainly brief time frame, which basically is genuinely critical. These profits basically are really impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which in a real sense is the motivation behind why most moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones sort of dedicate a huge part of their very funding to this quickly creating resource class, which basically is genuinely critical. At this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta certainly token to the level at $0.613597, where it as of now sits, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, Theta for the most part is a low-position cryptographic money, since it by and by possesses the 54th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the kind of metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the by and large current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which basically is genuinely huge. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization truly remains at $613,596,684. The significance of this boundary will truly be for the most part made sense of later, or so the explicitly thought. Yesterday, on September 15, Theta for the most part was esteemed at $0.606188. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, recollect that digital currencies basically are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which is genuinely huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 1.53%. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on September 9, Theta essentially token for the most part was exchanged at $0.633702 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its fundamentally present position, by and large further appearance how yesterday. On September 15, Theta generally was esteemed at $0.606188 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recollect that digital currencies especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a kind of enormous manner. On August 16, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.675716, the cost level that by and large is at the distance of 9.22% from where it at present stands, showing that over the especially past essentially couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX explicitly are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which is genuinely critical. Market capitalization in a real sense is another significant pretty metric that in a real sense assists traders with most certainly deciding the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's additionally used to explicitly survey the offer that Theta sort of token holds inside the sort of whole digital money market, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to explicitly is duplicated by its ongoing cost. Further appearance how market capitalization generally is another significant genuinely metric that most certainly assists traders with really deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which basically is genuinely huge. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta fundamentally remains at $613,596,684, enough to name it the 54th outright biggest coin on the digital money market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on September 15th, the market capitalization of Theta sort of token certainly remained at $606,188,057. 7 days prior, on September 9th, the capitalization of Theta especially was $633,700,550. A month prior, on August 16th, how much kind of capital streaming around this really specific market commonly added up to $675,715,956. Or so they basically thought. Most digital currency financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a truly certain cryptographic money and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which truly are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, exhibiting how a month prior, on August 16th, how much genuinely capital streaming around this truly specific market really added up to $675,715,956. Or so they basically thought. It's kind of obvious that the most certainly previously mentioned market capitalization of Theta token permits to truly characterize it as the little cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering in an unobtrusive way. Since we most certainly have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization, it would in every practical sense be really fitting to commit a piece of this report to the stockpile of Theta in an exceptionally significant manner. Essentially, for sort of your data, there are three sorts of supply for practically every digital money. The in every way that really matters, greatest stock, which generally implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a fundamentally specific blockchain all through its presence. The truly all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The flowing stockpile, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in sort of different words, that certainly are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The very most extreme inventory of Theta kind of token in a real sense is 100,000,000,000 Theta. The fundamentally complete stockpile of Theta right now, all things considered, remains at 100,000,000,000 coins, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey really is 100,000,000,000 Theta, or so they thought. This Theta truly token cost expectation wouldn't for the most part be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the extremely metric utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to truly affirm the strength of the pattern.